Hey crafting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a holiday gift guide from ColorIt.com. Now whenever ColorIt reaches out, my answer is always an immediate yes, because one, their products are incredibly high quality and I really strive to only bring you things here on the channel that I know you're going to have a really good experience with. And two, the people at ColorIt are just very nice people. They're always so kind to me. So huge thanks to ColorIt for the products that I'm going to show you today. Now ColorIt does have a 12 days of Christmas sale going on from December 1st to 12th. So that sale's about to end. I encourage you to hop on over to colorit.com. Check out the links in the description below, and that'll take you to some of the products I'm going to show you here today. Now, in the past, I have shown you a couple of coloring books from ColorIt. Mandalas to Color Volume 3 was the first, and then recently their new release, Majestic Horses. So I'll put some links up in the cards as we go along here so you can find more information about those books. Those are still available, so check them out. But here's the new stuff. This is really exciting. So I'm gonna mix it up a little bit here today as far as what I show you and the order I show it to you in. But let's start with Delightful Desserts and Sweet Treats, a brand new coloring book release. Now my favorite thing by far about ColorIt's books is their paper quality. This paper is the nicest paper that I've worked on in any of my books. I'm just gonna flip through this book for you and we'll take a peek together because I wanted to save it to reveal it here with you today. This is coloring book number 35. We have the illustrators here. Very talented illustrators. This is cool. They've given you some color palettes down at the bottom here if you just need some ideas. Oh, this book is gonna make me hungry, I can tell. I'm so excited to see some Christmas pages. I don't know about you guys, but I love coloring sweet treats and desserts at Christmas pretty much more than any other time. There's another one. Exciting. Some cakes. Oh, and as usual, we have kind of a mix of portrait and landscape orientation pages here. That's always fun. We can change it up a little bit. Those lollipops are going to be fun to color. An ice cream truck. Nice. Some fondue there. Fun with fondue. Kind of a mandala page. That's really creative. I like that. Donuts, cupcakes. Oh, delicious. Another holiday page there. Birthday. Candy. Oh, that's a really beautiful page. Roses. That's amazing. This paper quality feels identical to their other books, so a little bit glossy, nice and thick. This paper has taken all of my coloring media really well, from ink tints to colored pencils to another option that I'm going to show you here in a second. Those cupcakes are gorgeous. Is there anything prettier than just a really nicely decorated cupcake? Oh. That's the one. That's the one right there. You guys find that in each book you have like a favorite page, or maybe more than one. It's Christmas right now, so maybe that's why I'm drawn to all the Christmas things. Some ice cream cones, stockings, that's really cool. Cake. Here's a bestie that we're gonna have some desserts and sweet treats with. Ooh, I really like that page too. That's gonna be fun. This reindeer on top is adorable. I know I'm moving kind of fast here because I have a lot to show you today and I wanna make sure I get to everything. Fun mandala page there. Ooh, a Halloween page. That's a creative idea. I like that. Some popsicles, kind of another mandala page with cupcakes, another holiday page. Those wallpaper pages are kind of low commitment. I love them. That is a fun holiday page. That might also be the one. I like that. Little girl with some cotton candy. a dream cupcake slash wedding cake or something there. What a fun, fun book for someone in your life who loves colorful, fun, cheerful pages, and a lot of really fun Christmas pages in there too. Awesome. So something that ColorIt just came out with are colorable greeting cards. I think this is such a fun idea. So I received the holiday pack in the mail. Oh my gosh. I haven't looked at these either. I'm so excited. So paper crafting was sort of my first love. That was the thing that got me started in crafting. And so whenever I see anything that kind of resembles paper crafting, I feel so excited. So this definitely has some of that element going on. So, oh, these are fun. So season's greetings, we've got some gifts on the front. Now these are double folded. Can you see that? So that means I bet that they're going to be really good with all kinds of coloring media. So everything from water-based to gel pens to markers, I'm betting. Awesome. Let's see if there are any duplicates in here. Happy New Year, that's fun. We have a menorah there, that's really cool. Merry Christmas with some poinsettias, I love that. Missing you this Christmas, that's the one. That one's the one. I love peaceful landscape scenes, especially at Christmas. Happy Hanukkah, awesome. Let's toast to the new year. Happy holidays with some bells, some reindeer there. That's fun. Oh, another really pretty landscape. I like the landscapes. Those are my faves. Pretty candles, and you can write your own sentiment inside that one. And then joy. So there are no duplicates. You get 12 separate cards. That way you're never bored. That's so much fun. You get to do 12 individual designs. I'm going to have a lot of fun sending someone a handmade, hand-colored Christmas card this year. Awesome. And then, of course, envelopes for every single one of those. ColorIt, you just keep coming out. You just keep coming out with new fun stuff. Way to think outside the box. I love it. Let's go next to a brand new release. This one just came out. This is called Goddesses, 50 Original Hand-Drawn Designs. If you have a colorist in your life who loves portraits and loves kind of more fantasy genre coloring pages, this might be the book for them. Or for you, you know, because we have to shop for ourselves at Christmas too, I think. Cool idea. A visual table of contents at the beginning. Like that a lot. I'm gonna like this one already. I can tell by the nameplate that I'm gonna like it. All right, then we have some color scheme ideas here, then a little bit about the individual goddesses. That's very cool. Okay. Beautiful. Yep, I'm gonna love this one. I'm gonna love it. So sometimes with portrait books, my hesitation is that we can enter the uncanny valley pretty easily. You know what I mean by uncanny valley? Like sometimes faces can be difficult to draw, and so it takes a really talented artist to get the proportions right. These faces are beautiful. I'm not seeing any uncanny valleys here. This is great. Oh my gosh, I love, oh. Look at the intricate details you get to do there. That's so much fun. So much fun. And I love how at the beginning, all the names of the goddesses are written, along with the tradition the cultural tradition that they come from. So that is really cool. Oh, look at that. I'm blown away by this. When I saw it was a portrait book, I was like, I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but I'm blown away. This is gonna be so much fun. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Glorious. Look at that page with the wolves. So much beautiful, intricate detail. I love intricate detail. It scares me, but I love it. I love it. Oh my word. And I love the wide variety of cultural traditions represented in this book. That's fantastic. It's not just European mythologies. It's traditions from around the world. That's really cool. Oh, look at this dragon. That's neato. Body of a dragon there. Oh my word. Yeah, no uncanny valleys with faces. These are beautiful faces. Beautiful faces. Look at her. Look at her. She's a Celtic goddess, I bet. She's intense. Look at that. Look at the beautiful detail. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a really gorgeous book. ColorIt, I think you've really stepped it up with this one. Oh my word. The artwork is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. It's got the head of a panther there. Lovely. Oh. Look at that. Oh. My imagination runs wild when I see that page. This one has the head of a cat. Love it. Love it, love it. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. That reminds me of the Birth of Venus, the famous piece of art. Beautiful. Aww. Those are marvelous. I'm kind of speechless. This is so, how am I going to choose which page to do first? These are gorgeous. Oh my word. Every page is a visual feast for the eyes. There's so much to look at in each one. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Ooh, I like that one. She's dancing among the planets there. Oh my word. Oh my goodness, ColorIt. That one is absolutely stunning. So we have Roman, Egyptian, Hindu, Celtic, Chinese, Aztec, Norse, Slavic, Greek, Chinese. That is marvelous. Those are absolutely beautiful. Roman, of course. Absolutely stunning with the usual hardcovers on both sides, spiral bound at the top, one-sided pages with perforations so you can tear them out. ColorIt just, they think of things, you know? They really think of things. That is a stunning book, and maybe my favorite of all the books that I've seen from ColorIt. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Like I said, if there's someone in your life who loves portrait pictures, a little more detailed, a little bit more advanced coloring, that is glorious. Last but not least, today I have a brand new watercolor brush pen set to show you. This is next level stuff, you guys. When ColorIt said we're gonna send you the new watercolor brush pen set, I was like, great, that'll be great. And then I saw what I was really getting here and I was blown away. Blown away. Okay, so inside this very handy travel case, we have 24 brush pens. These have paintbrush tips. Let me pull one out and kind of show you here. So those are all, I might make a mess of my card here, but can you see how they're flexible? They're literally little paint brushes. Each tip. Very cool. Now, here's maybe my favorite thing of all. These are refillable. So you can add ink by twisting off the bottom part here. So these are a smart investment. You had me at refillable. Holy cow. They are labeled with all the colors: laid back lavender, C124. These are washable. They're blendable both with water and with other pens in the set so you can create really beautiful watercolor effects. I'll insert some footage here of me coloring a little bit in Mandalas Volume 3 with some of these. You can get really beautiful Copic-like effects and really beautiful watercolor effects. And the best part is, ColorIt books take media like this amazingly well. So the paper in your ColorIt books lends itself to blending extremely well. These are odorless, non-toxic, water-soluble, really outstanding product. These literally blew me away. So ColorIt carries gel pens, markers, colored pencils. I hope I'm not leaving anything out, but now these water-soluble watercolor brush pens. ColorIt just does it over and over and over again. That's why they're one of my very favorite coloring companies of any out there on the market. So like I said, that 12 days of Christmas sale is about to come to an end. If you saw anything here that is perfect for a colorist in your life, or for yourself for Christmas, head on over there. I'm not an affiliate for ColorIt. They sent me these products for review, but I don't get paid for telling you how much I like these. That is just my honest opinion. I think these are top quality products that you're really, really going to enjoy. So I hope you really enjoyed seeing some of this amazing stuff here on the channel today. Head over to ColorIt, grab yourself a little goodie for Christmas. As always, spread some joy wherever you are today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.